Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to adjust CPU sliders. In the beginning, let's go to settings of the game. Find CPU sliders, and here you can select it between dynamic, tactical and custom. To adjust sliders manually, select custom, and here you can adjust frequency of tackle aggression, build up speed, shot frequency, first touch pass, crossing, dribble and skill move frequency. If you feel that the difficulty level is too big, but you don't want to lower it, you can simply adjust it right here. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.